Welcome to the WZ Motivation. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to talk about frustration, anger, and how to deal with it. So without getting further delay, let's get started. There are a lot of bad things in life. It starts with small annoyances and leads to big problems. It's important to know how to deal with frustration if we want to stay happy and upbeat even when things are hard. It happens when something stops a person from getting what they want. When we don't reach our goals, we get irritable and angry. The more important the goal is, the more frustrated, angry, or lacking in confidence we feel when we can't reach it. We have seen this happen every time our hopes haven't been met. It happens when the things we do aren't giving us the results we think they should. It usually means being sad when we can't get what we want because we don't have enough confidence or are afraid of social situations. Physical roadblocks, like other people and things that get in the way of our goals, are also a source of frustration and a waste of time. Things that are out of our hands can't be stopped. Sometimes we can do something, but sometimes there is nothing we can do. Before moving further, I request you to give a like to this video and subscribe to our channel for our more upcoming videos. Even though the situation is frustrating and upsetting, we don't have to be upset. Acceptance is the key to not getting upset. We can also use our anger as a good way to push ourselves to change. But it can be bad when it leads to anger, irritability, stress, resentment, or depression. It's hard to keep your anger and frustration in check at all times. Anger is a normal feeling that needs to be handled in a healthy way. When you can't control your anger, it can hurt your health and your relationships. It can also make people angry. Stay in charge at all times, because you might regret what you say on the spot if you can't think clearly at the time. Once you have calmed down, tell them how you feel in a direct but professional way. Say what you want and what you need without trying to offend or control others. Work on solving the problems at hand instead of dwelling on the things that bother you. Remember that getting angry won't solve anything and might even make things worse. Even if you have had bad things happen to you, that doesn't mean it will always be that way. Don't let your anger get the best of you and hurt other people. When it gets out of hand, it can be harmful and cause more problems at work, in your relationships, and in your life as a whole. Anger can be a healthy response if it makes us want to do something good, but most of the time, we do bad things when we're angry because frustration makes us act without thinking.